As you can see over here, now it's cooking every 28 seconds. I can cook one egg. Over here, you can also choose like 50% cook, 70% cook, or 100% cook. So some customers, they want more hard in the middle. Some want soft in the middle, so you can choose. If you only have order like 10 eggs, then you can choose here and you can hit like 10. So it only cooks 10 eggs and it stops. So you can choose how many eggs you want and you can press here, like 40 eggs, and then I click confirm. Now it's cooking 40 pieces. After I cook one piece, it will come out. After I cook one piece, it will go out. And over here, you can customize. Because some customers, when some hotels, they will buy bigger eggs. Some hotels, they will buy smaller eggs. So you can also adjust the seconds, how many seconds you want to cook. For example, our normal size is 28 seconds. But if you have bigger egg, maybe it takes 30 seconds, maybe it takes 32 seconds. So this is just like the difference. So you can adjust manually for each one. And we can also change the oil as well. Some customers, they want to have less oil with their eggs. So you can choose less oil. Or you can choose more oil, so it's more flavorful. So you can adjust that. Oil box. So you put the oil in here. And when you clean, you just take out the box and you clean. That's all. There's a fan outside to get rid of the extra heat that's coming out from this side. And then when it's separate, the eggshell and the egg yolk is completely separate, so you don't have to worry about cross-contamination between raw and cooked. So it frees up one person when he's cooking for breakfast, especially in the morning. You don't have to have one guy just doing flip. It will always be the same product every time. And customers you can take out this one, give it to customer, after finish, come back and cook. No oil, yes, but it will taste bad. But it's a non-stick pan inside. It's non-stick pan, so even 1 gram or 2 gram oil, it can still cook. But we use 5 grams for standard, also it tastes better.